because I lost the connection with you guys, let me do this again. All right, there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there. Let me switch it around again. I don't know why I lost the connection. We were doing good. Like I was saying, we're going to give this away too. So we're going to do this one right now. So the guy that wins this is Matt Casey. That's Sleepy Casey. I know him. Sleepy Casey, you just won this bad boy. You should spritzbyfritz@AOL.com. I'm going to need your mailing address, and I will ship this to you, buddy. This is for you, and thank you very much for your support on Patreon. I really do appreciate it. So we'll put that over here. And now, for the big bad boy, for the real heavy and expensive to ship item, who's going to win that bad boy, huh? This guy. This guy right here. I don't know who this guy is right now, but he supports my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, man. And you're going to be the winner. Let's see who it is. I'm going to have trouble pronouncing this name. Man, you got me stumped. I'm usually pretty good at Polish and Russian, but I'm going to say it's Peter Bartetsko. That's Bartetzko. There you go. That's you for the phone people at home, for the people on YouTube. There you go. So Peter, you just won the ammo can, dude. So spritzbyfritz@AOL.com. Send me your shipping address. And either way, I've got everybody's email address, so I'll be contacting them via email. So Peter, congratulations, man, and thank you for your support. So we'll put that in there. We'll put Peter's name right on top. And let me grab some masking tape so I can tape everyone's little jammy to their pieces that they won. So that's cool, man. And I really do appreciate you guys that help out by supporting me through Patreon for my YouTube channel. And I keep trying to upload as much as I can, as often as I can, because I'm out of work now for so long. So after I get done with this whole Moonstick deal, I'm going to have to work on Jerry's Model A for a while, and then I'll probably jump back onto the Indian Larry Chopper clone. But thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. And I can say thanks for the support. It's patreon.com/spritzbyfritz. That's a good way to support. You can also go to my web store, which is spritzbyfritz.com, pick up a t-shirt, a DVD, a mug, a license plate topper, something like that. That's an excellent way to support. And another way to support is subscribe, click the little bell button, and you'll get alerts every time I upload a new video. And I have ads on my videos now, and if you just let the ads run through, don't click skip, that means I get like, I don't know, 2 or 3 cents. But hey, it's something. Something's better than nothing, right? And that's it. So I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys.